Yeah, D-Town, what it do? Here's a remix for that ass. Yeah, crazy lyrics, yes, yes, I'm making insist. You don't wanna make me pissed. You can kiss my ass when this is done. You understand I ain't playing around, son. Remix, playing on the radio. Everybody know, from a rapper nobody know. Remix, playing on the radio. Everybody know, from a rapper nobody know. I stay D-Towned up, I'm in the 760-92240. If you know, that's how I roll. Everybody out here on parole. So the po-po try to chase me, try to run my address just to catch me, but they can't, so I keep them guessing. Just like my next album, I'm too fast, my moves are shifty, you couldn't miss me. I'm shiny on the block and something brand new. I know you other MCs couldn't do what I do, cause you hate on me. I drop this track up like Kung Fu. I'm acrobatic, I flip in a misty flip like I'm skateboarding, hitting this shit like bricks on the block. Heavyweight, yeah, I'm a champion, hold the bell. Remix, playing on the radio. Everybody know, from a rapper nobody know. Remix, playing on the radio. Everybody know, from a rapper nobody know. Yeah, I've been holding back for a cool minute while I get up in it, concentrating on some shit to say, but I don't need it today, cause I rap off the top of my head with every type of catchy phrase. Listen, there's no mind delay, cray on this microphone every day. In my studio, I blow cold like the ice, call me Southpaw. I get you frozen on the mic, igloo. I don't think you understand, I come unglued. Crazy lyricist, hit like a sub, yes, bump in the back of the drum. That's how I do. You other MCs live dazed and confused. I'm easily amused on this microphone. 1, 2, 3. Remix, playing on the radio. Everybody know, from a rapper nobody know. Remix, playing on the radio. Everybody know, from a rapper nobody know. That's right, nobody knows of me. I'm exploding on the scene, I sound so clean. You hear that shit, you fiend. Need to hear it again, rewind it. Yeah, 2 times it. I tell you what, I defined it like the dictionary. Pick a word, listen, observe. I spit it out, get it served like bar and grill. Yeah, that shit I kill, just like I ate it up, like I got the munchies. Or a rapping machine, 420's always on my mind. I need this freaking smoke, this blunt. By the end of this neckline, I spit on the mic, but I can't, I'm too impatient. Motherfucker, I already know I ain't quitting. This shit's just inside of me, it runs in my veins. Remix,